Hi, this is Abhinav Singh Rajawat. I welcome you back on my YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing some interesting facts about Japan.
About Japan. Each country is unique in its own way, and so is Japan. In terms of geographical area, there are about 60 countries bigger than Japan. However, in terms of economy size or GDP, only two countries are ahead of it, the United States of America and China. So these facts are enough to appreciate the economic powerhouse that is in Japan. So in this video today, I will be talking about Japan. Japan is a group of 6,852 islands. Only about 430 are inhabited. In terms of population, Tokyo metropolitan area is the largest urban area in the world, housing about 38 million or close to 4 crore people. Japan is the country which records one of the largest number of earthquakes every year. With science, technology and past experience, it is now one of the best prepared nations to deal with the earthquakes. Buildings are earthquake resistant, trains have sensors to detect tremors and automatically stop. Number 1. Capsule hotels. Capsule or pod hotels were developed in Japan for budget travelers. In these hotels, the room is a chamber roughly the length and width of a single bed. It will normally have sufficient height for a guest to crawl in and sit up on the bed. It is like a chamber in a double-decker AC bus in India. Capsule hotels provide cheap, basic overnight accommodation for guests who do not require or who cannot afford larger, more expensive rooms at normal hotels. In areas with high property prices, it helps hoteliers to offer more rooms in less space. The first capsule hotel in the world opened in 1979 in Osaka, Japan. Over the years, the facility have increased. You may now have an AC chamber with TV and electrical sockets for charging your mobile and laptop. If you have a fear of closed spaces or if you don't like using shared bathrooms, capsule hotels are not for you. With such pod hotels opening now in many countries, you can also experience the stay in a pod hotel. Number 2. Bullet trains. Shinkansen trains, which are popularly known as bullet trains, are high-speed trains in Japan. First bullet train began its maiden journey on 1st October 1964. They have operating speeds of around 250 to 300 km per hour. How is this special when there are trains that run at speeds of 500 to 600 km per hour? It is not about few fastest trains but about several hundred. Yes, several hundred bullet trains that operate daily in Japan. These are the key means of public transport. In 2011, when an earthquake of 9.0 magnitude hit Japan, around 30 moving bullet trains were automatically stopped. This resulted in zero deaths or even injuries. Another special feature is the punctuality. Average delay, including due to the natural disaster, is less than a minute. What a high standard they have set. In 2017, when a train left 20 seconds early, the train company offered a public apology. Besides superior technology punctuality, there is equal concern for safety. Not a single passenger has been killed due to derailment or collision of bullet trains in Japan in their history of 50 years, despite frequent earthquakes and typhoons. Isn't it truly mind-boggling? Number 3. Japanese school. Let's talk about a couple of interesting things about schools in Japan. In Japanese schools, children are expected to take part in cleaning their classroom, hallways, and even toilets. Children mop the floors, clean off desks, and dust off blackboards as part of their daily duty. It helps in teamwork, building character, and teaching students to be aware of their surroundings. In schools, there is a lunch system where all children eat the same lunch at the same time in their classroom, along with their teachers. Kids are expected not to waste anything. Students not only help serve food to each other but also clean up utensils later. Number 4. Toilets. Toilets in Japan are much more high-tech than found in many other developed nations. Automatic opening and closing of toilet lid, customized temperature and pressure from the water jet, heating or air conditioning of toilet seat, automatic deodorizers, blowing drying and flushing sound simulators. For foreigners not conversant with Japanese language, it could be quite complicated to use the modern toilets. So, the industry has now decided to make the signages uniform. Number 5. Vending machines. Japan has the highest number of per capita vending machines in the world. On an average, for every 35 people, there is one vending machine. What are the reasons for such a high number? Many. Low crime rates, high cost of manual labor, expensive real estate, preference for convenience, and love for automation. Apart from snacks and beverages, these vending machines dispense a lot of other things like milk, honey, fresh fruits, soap, eggs, flowers, t-shirts, umbrellas, and etc. Number 6. Seafood market. Japanese love seafood. This reflects in having the biggest seafood wholesale market in the world. Tsukiji Market in Tokyo, which moved to a new location in Tokyo in October 2018, is the biggest seafood wholesale market anywhere in the world. Now it is called Toyosu Market after shifting to a new location. It opens at 3 am. Every morning, value of the seafood that gets sold is over $28 million, equivalent to roughly rupees 200 crore. Over 500 varieties of seafood could be found here. Here, a single tuna fish was once sold for $1.76 million. How much? Just rupees 10 crore.
I hope you enjoyed watching these interesting facts. I will keep sharing such interesting and amazing facts. Thank you.